You need to hear this if you're a Roblox developer. In this video, we will explore the package workflow in Roblox Studio. Make sure to follow along and take notes for a better learning experience. What is package workflow, you ask? Imagine you're building a giant castle. Instead of carrying each brick one by one, you pack them into neat boxes. That's what packages do for your creations in Roblox. Packages help you organize all the parts of your game, like 3D models, sounds, and code. This makes it super easy to reuse them in different parts of your game, or even in different games altogether. It's like having a magic bag that holds all your building blocks, ready to be placed wherever you need them. This organized approach is super important for big projects. Imagine if hundreds of people were building that giant castle, all adding their own bricks without any order. It would be chaos. Packages help everyone stay on the same page and build amazing things together. So whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, mastering package workflow is your secret weapon to becoming a Roblox Studio Pro. Now that you understand why packages are awesome, let's learn how to create them. It's actually much simpler than you might think. In Roblox Studio, you can turn almost anything into a package, a single 3D model, a collection of sound effects, or even a whole level design. Simply select the items you want to group together, right-click, and choose Save to Roblox. Give your package a clear and descriptive name, so you know exactly what's inside. Once saved, your package is safely stored in your Roblox inventory, ready to be used whenever you need it. It's like having a digital library for all your game assets. Managing your packages is a breeze too. You can easily find them in your inventory, organized by name or date. You can even create folders to categorize your packages, just like organizing files on your computer. This keeps everything tidy and easy to navigate. Environment artists are the creative masterminds behind the breathtaking worlds we explore in video games. And Roblox is no exception. They are the digital architects and landscape designers responsible for crafting immersive and visually stunning environments that bring games to life. Using a combination of artistic talent and technical skills, environment artists shape the look and feel of Roblox games. They sculpt the terrain, paint textures, and strategically place props and foliage to create captivating landscapes. From lush forests and bustling cities to futuristic spaceships and mystical dungeons, their imagination knows no bounds. Packages are essential tools for environment artists. They allow artists to easily share and reuse their creations across different projects and collaborate with other developers seamlessly. Imagine building a beautiful tree and then being able to instantly place that same tree in multiple locations throughout your game world. By mastering package workflow, environment artists can focus on their creativity and bring their visions to life, transforming ordinary Roblox games into extraordinary experiences. In the world of Roblox Studio, assets are the building blocks of your creations. Think of them as the ingredients you use to cook up a delicious virtual world. There are many different types of assets, each playing a crucial role in bringing your game to life. First up, we have three-dimensional models. These are the objects that populate your game world, from towering skyscrapers to tiny pebbles. Environment artists use specialized software to create these models, giving them shape, form, and texture. Next, we have textures. These are like the skin of your three-dimensional models, adding color, detail, and realism. Imagine a plain white cube transformed into a weathered wooden crate with the right texture. And let's not forget about sounds. Sound effects and music create an immersive atmosphere, making your game world come alive. The roar of a monster, the gentle lapping of waves, or the epic soundtrack during a boss fight. Sound adds depth and emotion to your creations. Right-click menus are your trusty sidekicks in Roblox Studio, offering a handy set of tools for managing your packages like a pro. When you right-click on a package in your inventory, a menu pops up with a bunch of options. Think of it as a shortcut to all the things you can do with your package. You can choose to insert a copy of the package directly into your game world. Need to make some changes? Select Open to edit the package contents. You can even save a copy of the package if you want to create a slightly different version without altering the original. The right-click menu also allows you to manage the permissions of your package. You can choose to keep it private, share it with specific friends, or make it public for the entire Roblox community to enjoy.